How to fix Toyota app not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Toyota application is not working, there might be because of a bug or a glitch issue, or if your Wi-Fi is not working out. In that case, what you can do is scroll down your notification center and check for your Wi-Fi connectivity. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you can switch into cellular data or enable the airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, the issue regarding your Toyota app not working must be solved. If not, there might be a technical glitch issue. In that case, you can press and hold onto your application, then tap on App Info, then hit on the Force Stop button. Head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. If this feature is not available for your device, you can check out your phone settings, head over to Apps, tap on All Apps, tap on the search icon to search for Toyota app. Then repeat the same process of force stopping it, heading over to Storage and Cache and clearing it up. Last but not the least, also make sure that your application is not undergoing an update. Please note, while your application is ongoing an update, your app will simply not launch or work. In that case, don't panic, just wait for a couple of minutes and relaunch your app. And it's the wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.